Welcome to our channel. Truist Bank's integration with Zelle allows you to send money instantly to friends, family, or businesses directly through the mobile app. Step 1. Open the Truist mobile app and log in with your credentials. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Step 2. From the main menu, tap on Send Money with Zelle, or look for the Zelle icon on your dashboard. Step 3. If this is your first time using Zelle, you'll need to enroll. Accept the terms and conditions to proceed. Step 4. Verify your email address or mobile phone number to link with your Truist account for receiving payments. Step 5. To send money, tap Send and enter the recipient's email address or U.S. mobile phone number. Step 6. If the recipient is already enrolled in Zelle, the money will transfer instantly. If not, they'll receive instructions to enroll. Step 7. Select the account from which you want to send money if you have multiple accounts. Step 8. Enter the amount you want to send. Check Truist's daily and monthly Zelle limits if sending large amounts. Step 9. Add a memo or note explaining the payment purpose for your records and the recipient's reference. Step 10. Review all details carefully, including recipient information and amount before tapping Send. Once sent, Zelle payments typically cannot be canceled. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.